The Green Bay Blizzard football team is scoring big time in the fight against hunger in our community. The team partnered with Schreiber Foods, which donated $100 for hunger relief for every home game touchdown. The Blizzard scored 47 touchdowns, and they presented a big check to Feeding America, Eastern Wisconsin.
We've been really proud supporters of Feeding America for many, many years. We've done grants, we've had volunteers come and help out here at the Appleton Center. So we were really excited to be able to do something a little bit more creative and innovative when we partnered with the Blizzard to be able to give back to them in this way.
The $4,700 check will go towards buying food for those in need within our own community.